Duck holds a special place in China's rich culinary tradition, where it's celebrated in countless ways, over 100 cooking methods, to be exact. While that might sound astonishing, let's dive into 5 of the most famous duck dishes that showcase this versatile ingredient. Beijing roast duck is perhaps the most famous duck dish globally, with roots as a royal delicacy. Legend has it that the founding emperor of Ming Dynasty, Zhu Yanzhang, enjoyed a whole roast duck every day. To prepare this iconic dish, chefs select premium meat ducks and roast them over charcoal until the skin turns a beautiful red and becomes crispy, while the meat remains juicy and tender. Traditionally, it's served hot, sliced thinly, and accompanied by shredded scallions, cucumber sticks, and sweet bean sauce, all wrapped in delicate pancakes. If you find yourself in Beijing, be sure to visit Chengjida, the most famous roast duck restaurant, where you can watch the chefs slice the duck with impressive knife skills. Nanjing salted duck boasts a history of over 2,500 years. This dish is celebrated for its rich yet light flavor. The preparation involves rubbing the duck inside and out with fried Sichuan peppercorns and salt, followed by a 1 to 2 day marination in the refrigerator. After that, the duck is simmered with scallions, ginger, star anise, and other spices for about an hour, then cooled and sliced into pieces. Imagine duck braised with beer. This dish uses the maltiness of the brew to balance the duck's gamey flavor. The result is a delightful combination of rich, tender meat infused with a fragrant aroma that's irresistible to any palate. This dish features red-faced ducks and is cooked in a clay pot. The duck is first stir-fried with sesame oil and ginger, then simmered with yellow wine over low heat without adding any water. The outcome? A fragrant, juicy duck with a robust ginger flavor that's perfect for warming you up on chilly days. A traditional dish from Hangzhou, this soup features local duck, salted pork, and dried bamboo shoots, all simmered together in a clay pot. Let me introduce how to make the dried bamboo shoots, a staple in local cuisine, especially soups. Farmers harvest fresh bamboo shoots from the mountains, clean and boil them, and then sun-dry them for long-term preservation. The salted pork is prepared by salting and air-drying, which gives it a distinctive flavor. When combined, these ingredients magically create a delicious soup that's sure to stimulate your appetite.